These caps are all over the place, and I'm going to show you how you can make your own version right here. Full walkthrough, let's go. Did you ever notice that everybody and their grandmama are wearing these trucker hats? Yes, Bass Pro Shops trucker hats are all over the place. And Bass Pro Shops are a national fishing, hunting, and outdoor chain of stores. And guys, we really shouldn't judge people, and looks can be deceiving, but are all these people into fishing? Anyway, guys, Bass Pro Shop trucker hats are trending like crazy, and we're going to make our own version of it. All right, you ready? Let's get it. So to design the hat, are we going to use Photoshop, Illustrator, maybe even Affinit? Guys, that's so 2020. We are going to use Kittl. So we are in Kittl, and you know they have amazing templates, but guys, we are going to make this bad boy from scratch. So we're going to go up here to New Project, and we are going to, for this one, we're going to go to inches. All right, I want to make sure that this is inches. And we're going to print it out on 11 by 17 paper. So we're going to make this 11 by 17 just to have everything on the up and up. And we're going to make this DPI of 300. All right. And we're going to create. All right, guys, we're not going to do a Bass Pro Shop just like it is, right? Because that would be stealing, right? That is copyright infringement. You know, we're using their intellectual property, but we are going to do a parody of it, okay? So I am going to upload the logo. So we're going to go over here to illustrations, if I can find it, illustrations, and we're just going to do a search for a bass because Kittl has like everything. All right, now look at that. Look at that. Okay, so all we have to do is just click right on that bad boy, and it is right there. But I'm also going to do something with beer. Okay, so I'm going to go right here back on illustrations, and I'm just going to put in beer, and let's see what type of images they have. So we're just going to go and look, and let's see. We want something that we can just, you know, I like this one right here. So we're going to click right there. Boom. And we have some beer. Now, you know, if it's me, you know what I'm about to, we want to make one more, but you know what I'm about to do, right? You guessed it, zombie. So let's go back and let's put in zombie. And it's a nice, creepy looking zombie. Oh, here we go, right here. Bang. I clicked on it, and we have a zombie, a mug of beer, and a bass. All right. Now we are going to, you see this Bass Pro Shops? Let's pick this up a little bit. We're going to make this bass. Damn, that's almost the same bass. We're going to make this bass look like this bass. So we're going to click on it, and we're going to go to flip horizontal. So now it's in the same position. And over here, we have our colors, and that's like that tan color. So we're going to click on that tan color, and we're going to click right here on our eyedropper. And we're going to click right over here on the green part of that, and boom, just like that, you can see it. It's like this. It's almost the same thing, except it's got that little tan at the bottom. But you know what? This is just fine. All right. And guess what we're going to do, guys? We're going to do the same thing right here. We are going to click on this beer mug, and let's go back over here to our, actually, this beer mug is an image. So we're going to go right here to vectorize. We're going to click on that. How many colors do we need? I'm going to say just 3. I want to keep this really, really simple. Just 3. And it's going to be like this green. All this is going to be green and that white and that that black outline. Okay. We're going to see what it looks like. Vectorize. Let's see. Okay, that looks cool. So now we can change the color. So we're going to click on that like orange golden color. Okay, and we're going to click right here. And once again, we're going to click right on that fish. And now we have a shamrock shake. All right. And we have this one, and this is our zombie. We're going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to go over here. It has that tan color. We're going to double click on that. We're going to go right here, double click on that tan color. All right. We're going to go right here and click. Actually, to be honest with you, the green is also down here, and I believe that it is that one. Nice. So we have a green zombie, a green beer mug, and of course we have our green fishy fish. Okay, so now we okay, so now we are going to begin to make the patch. Now the patches that I have are not quite the same as this oval right here. The one I have is more of a square oval. All right, so we're going to go over here because we're going to have to get a mask. Yes, you can do masks. All right. So now we're going to go over here to illustrations. We're going to click on shapes, and we're going to go down to masks, and we're going to click show all. All right. You want to get something close to what we have, which is kind of like a square. Actually, this one is good, right? No, this one. So let's click on our mask, and our mask is a certain size, right? Because our patch is a certain size. So the height of that patch, so we're going to unlock that. And I think that the width is about 4 inches, and the height is about 2.375. Something like that. Yeah, that is great. So let's zoom in some. You just go down here, and you want to click close. Let's zoom out a little bit. That is perfect. So now, all you have to do, right, with this mask right here, okay, is you're just going to go and you click on this fish, and we're just going to drag it, and it's going to pop right in there. So let's move that, and then we're going to double click on it. Now we could just move that down and get it to be whatever size we want. And we can even flip it around, change it, you know, smack it up, flip it and rub it down, all that good stuff right here. And we can hold down the shift key. We want to squish it a little bit to get it to fit. Illustrations, I'm going to shapes, and I'm just going to get another rectangle. That one should work. And we're just going to make that one to be about the same size as what we have. Let's click on them both. Yep, that is good. All right. So once again, we're going to go double click on that. Click on our eyedropper and click right there. Now we have a really nice background. Okay. So then we're going to go right click on that, and we're going to go send to the back, and look, almost. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Almost looks like the same exact thing. The only thing that we have to do is just add the words. So since I think that most people who wear this do not fish or do any outdoors, anything. Let's do something based on, you ever see the t-shirts that say, do you even lift, like for bodybuilding and working out? We're going to do you even fish? All right. Now we can go over here to text, add a headline. The headline is right there. And actually, you know what? Let's do that a couple more times. Text, boom, boom, boom. I clicked that like 3 times. And then we have these. Do you, one is even and this last one, fish, question mark, exclamation point. Now, the thing about this is cool, but we want this font to match. That's what's really going to give it that look. And fortunately, Kittl has tons of fonts. All right. So you can go right here and go crazy. I mean, you can just keep going on and on and on until you find it. But let's just say, this is just so you'll know. Let's just say, right, you already know what font, or you have the font that you want, but it's not here. This is the great thing about Kittl. You can upload your own font. So I'm going to go to a really great resource, right? And that is called thefont.com. Let's go. And just in case you didn't know it, this font right here is a serif font. If you ever see these little doohickeys on the end, those are called serifs, all right? But I know exactly what font I want. So I'm just going to go right here to search, and I'm going to put in aesthetic moment. Boom. That is like almost perfect word for word. So we're just going to download that. Let's go back over here. So now you can go click and you can go right here and the font is going to show up, right? And you can click on it and you can go right here to upload font. You can upload, choose font. Is now we'll just go right here, AES, and there it is, right there. And you can do that for all of them. Just click. Do you even fish? All right. So we want to take that. I'm going to hold on a option key and pull it. Now we have 2 of those. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to double click on that black. Click on that and go over here to this. Now we have the same exact red. Perfect. And we're just going to put that on top just like that to create that drop shadow look. How awesome is that? And just like that, you can troll all these people who have never even seen a rod and reel for wearing a trendy hat. And just like that, you control all those people who have never cast a reel in their life. Not that I have either, but we ain't talking about that. And just like that, you can make a hat and troll all of those people who've never cast a rod and reel in their life. Neither have I, but I'm not wearing one of these hats. So now we're pretty much are going to, let's zoom out. We are pretty much going to do the same thing for these. You pretty much know how it's done. I don't want the video to be too long, so I'm going to fast forward through it, but it's the same exact process. The only thing I am going to show you is we're going to take this one and we're going to hold down our Option or Alt key, make another one, and then we're going to deconstruct it. We're going to move that. Let's zoom in. Move that, move that, move that, move that, move that. And we're going to click on our fish and we're going to right click on it and we're going to go down to Release Mask. And now we can take this mask, let's zoom out, and use it over and over again. And boom, let's see what we have here. We have parodies. All right. Number one, do you even fish? Number two, you know, these kids, these little crazy ass kids are always talking about the ops and they're like doing all type of horrible things to each other. Zombies are the ops, you know, based on the stuff going on. And cold brew hops, by the way, they make, they make beer out of hops, and I know people, I don't, but people like beer, and people, I don't like fish either, but you know, there's stories for other days. So we have cold brew hops, do you even fish? Zombies are the ops. Okay, we're gonna download these, all right, because guess what, guys? We're gonna make some caps. Let's do it. Just go right here to export, and we're going to export as an SV, PDF. Download. Let's make it happen, Captain.
We're going to quickly
first thing
go
we
through
do
this.
is
If
print
not, the video will be
artwork
insanely
on our white
long.
toner printer, and this is going to be sublimation. Yes, white toner printers can do sublimation.
I got the sublimation patches online. There's going to be links down in the description box.
Now this is our patch, and we're just going to cut this out. And by the way, this is plain old normal paper. On a white toner printer, you don't need sublimation paper. So we're going to place that on top. I'm going to add our heat tape here. This is T-shirt help desk heat tape, by the way. We had a cover sheet and print it for 1 minute at 400 degrees, medium to heavy pressure. And now that's done. Let's peel the paper and we have a patch. Now it has a backing on the back. We take that off and place it on the hat. And this is our Stahl's hat press. It prints on the back of the patch and the front. It's amazing. All right, we just tape down the edges, and same thing, we're going to hit it for about 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Pops open, peel the tape, and look at that. I did the two others. These look amazing, awesome. They're awesome parodies that you can do at home. So there you have it, guys. We got the cap on right here. Get out there and troll them. Guys, with Kittl, you can do anything. All right. And check it out. There's going to be a free, right here on YouTube, Kittl tutorial right here. Make it happen, and links for Kittl down in the description box, guys. Don't worry about Photoshop, Illustrator, Affinity, all that stuff. Get Kittl and make it happen, Captain. Until we meet again, gonna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. Peace.
T-shirt help desk.